Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO Find X2 Lite. Begin by going into Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Following that, in order to set it up, tap on the same options on both smartphones. I agree, confirm, continue, allow. And on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. Over here, you can tap on Not Now if you wish to in New Updates pop-up, and then close it by hitting OK. Now, after selecting Closed in white pop-up at the top, click on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. Also on OPPO, select one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Then tap on Close this window and go back to an Android. Now, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can pick multiple files that you wish to transfer and then hit Send next selected to continue. Tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. In order to connect by using, thanks to this QR code, tap on this scanning icon next to input key. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at this code. In order to input this key, tap on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers. Lastly, tap on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!